Namaskar, doston. So today I got up early, and what I want to do is I want to train you in. I want to train you in CFA Level 1. We can start with an important concept called effective annual rate. So I'm sure many of you may have heard of effective annual rate. You may not know how to define it. So I bought Schwazers to do kind of carry out this training. I bought Schwazers. Schwazers is very good. I recommend it. I cleared CFA level 1 without Schwazers. So that must be, I'm sure everyone knows that it would have been harder, right? CFA level 1 without Schwazers is harder directly from the curriculum. I recommend going through Schwazers first, and then if you feel comfortable, you can get the curriculum also, because curriculum is a little lengthier, a little longer, it takes more time if you're under time pressure, especially. So, what is effective annual rate? Basically, 12% when we state 12% in a stated annual rate, for example, 12% or 6%. That is if there is compounding only once a year, right? That is compounding once a year. Suppose there is quarterly compounding or a semi-annual compounding or monthly compounding, then the effective annual rate will be more than 12%. That is the important concept we have to understand here. So, if we want to be investment managers one day, we have to be very thorough with this. This is like ABC. This is the alphabet. The first of the maybe 1,000 lessons that you need to clear the entire CFA charter, and at least 300 lessons in level 1. Okay, but it is an important concept, and we are going to build up on this later on. Okay, so yeah, so 400 pages here. So start. Okay, so I'm going to give you some problems. I gave you in the feed also, just one or two, just a few problems. Let's say, yeah. So if let's calculate. Suppose SAR is equal to 12%. Stated annual rate is 12%. Compounding is two inputs should be given, SAR as well as N. Compounding is quarterly. So first thing, it will be given in words like this: compounding quarterly, right? Write what M is equal to. Compounding quarterly means 4 periods in the year. 4 periods means M is equal to 4. That's all. If you've written these two things, EAR is unknown. EAR is equal to question mark. See, I've written here. I've worked out the problems for you. I've written SAR is equal to 12%, M is equal to 4, EAR is equal to question mark. You know how to find EAR, right? I told you, I've written the formula below. Let's write it again. EAR is equal to 1 plus SAR. SAR is a percent. I'm repeating that over and over again. Don't get confused. Don't do 112 per 4 or something like that. 1 plus SAR by M to the power of M minus 1, right? As a percentage. ER is also a percentage. So this also actually should be a percentage amount by 100, right? Or into 100. Fine. So first step, how will you find 12% by 4, right? So 0.03, 1.03 power 4. So if you can do it fast, very good. If it takes a little more time, do it slowly. 1.03 power 4. I'll do square. So 1.1255, the same result as the book gives me. So I have to subtract 1, that is 0.1255, and then I multiply by 100 to get it as a percentage. So 12.555 percentage. Same answer I've got, same answer the book shows me. It shows this is very good, I'm telling you. It's not against any other company or anything. Schwazers is very good. If you learn Schwazers well, you will clear. A girl I know told me, who works with me, told me that she cleared all 3 levels of CFA. I know 2 people in my own work who cleared all 3 levels of CFA, and one girl told me, one guy and one girl, and one girl told me who cleared all 3 levels of CFA. I'm not telling names enough. Schwazers is enough to clear. Schwazers is enough to clear. Some people study from the curriculum, but they don't clear because they don't. Curriculum is much harder. Schwazers is enough to clear. I'm telling you, I'm assuring you. Schwazers is enough to clear. Work out all the problems in Schwazers. Don't be lazy in that, right? I'm training you. This will be a short video. I want to. An American brother told me to keep my videos short around 15 minutes. One of my Indian uncles also gave me similar advice. Keep it short, sweet, and simple. People will listen and people will learn. Whatever they want to learn from it, they will learn. Right? God bless you. God bless India. That we will come to. Now, I'm going to give you 4 quick problems, right? I posted this on LinkedIn also. Do you want me to share the URL? Okay, that you can find. You come to my profile and you find. I'm Nishant Xavier. Give me a connect request. If I like your profile, we'll connect. Nishant Xavier, why don't I just give Let me give my from the chat. If you want, you can connect with me. I'll happily connect with you. Mostly, I approve every connect because I connect with everyone. I like connecting with people both all around India and around the world. Okay, so now we are going to solve four problems, four simple problems. First of all, SAR is equal to 12%. That doesn't change at all. Okay, SAR is equal to not 12%, 6%. But four things change. What are the things that change? First, semi-annual. Semi-annual means what? Two compounding periods in the M is equal to 2. Next, quarterly. M is equal to 4. Then monthly. Then the last one is a little tricky that I'll tell you a shortcut to do. M is equal to 12. And fourth one is M is equal to 365, right? 365 periods in the year. Monthly, semi-annual. You should become very comfortable with this. 2 M is equal to 2 means quarter. Semi-annual M equal to 4 means quarterly. Either way may be given. It may be given as a number or this thing. You should be able to convert it to what you want. You want as a number. You want M. So first one, EAR, EAR 2. You can put it like that, right? EAR 2 is equal to 1.03 squared minus 1 is equal to know the answer, but let me do it by calculation. 0.03 square minus 1 is equal to 6.09%. Yes. Number to put it as a percentage value. Similarly, EAR, see, it's just one line for me. EAR 2 EAR M is equal to 2. Similarly, EAR 4 is equal to, again I know it will be 1.015 power 4 minus 1. So either 4 means I can do, see how I'll do 1.015. Either I can do power 4 or I can do square 1.0614, right? All I need to do now is minus 1 and then into 100. 6.136%. This is the correct answer. So simple, so simple. If you know the formula, if you apply it correctly, if you do it well, it is so simple. Um, Okay. Next is monthly compounding, EAR. Yeah, even the last one can be done using calculator, but I'll show you a simpler way. EAR 12 is equal to. So for now, in this go in order, right? I'll show you 4 steps to do it. I'm writing the 4 steps. You also make notes of it. Okay. I won't like spell it out for you, but I want you to make note of it. Step 3. Step 3. Step 4. So first thing is 12. See how I'm doing it. 12 and then percent. Percent is here 12%. Right? You're getting 0.12. Then once you get 0.12, that is the output of your first step. What is M? M is equal to no 0.06, correct? 6%. 0.06% is equal to 0.06. Then divided by 6, so 6. It is 6% divided by 12 plus 1 to the power 12, so 1.005 power 12, 1.0617 minus 1 plus into 100, 6.168%. So in the 4 steps, your first step result will be 0.06, 6% divided by 12, 0.005. Secondary output is that 0.005 plus 1 to the power 12. So your output is 1.0617. Next is minus 1 into 100. 6.167%, which is 6.168%. That's your answer. That's your output. Next thing is a little tricky. I'll show you a shortcut. Right? Shall we discuss shortcut? Yeah, 5 more minutes are there. So again, same thing. So first thing is step 1, 6% is equal to 0.06. Step 2, 0.06 by 365. So same thing. Step 1 will be same in all. 6% divided by 365, very small number, plus 1 is equal to step 3. Yeah, so 0.002. How about 365? How about 365? Yeah. So again, you get 1.0618. That's it. You virtually arrived at your answer, 1.0618. And the next thing is minus 1 into 100. So your answer, the first thing, last stage is 6.183. 6.1831% if you want 4 decimal points. 1 3 see, so simple. Within 10 minutes, I solved like 5 problems. So 5 problems. And I was teaching. If I was doing by myself, I would solve like 10 problems in 5 minutes. It's that simple. It's that easy. And see, you can get a mark like this. You can get like out of 120 marks, you can score 1, maybe even 2 marks like this. It's possible. You just have to start. You have to start cracking it, right? You're already then 2 out of 120. What is 2 out of 120 as a percentage? 2 divided by 120 is 1.67%. So you're already about 2% uh, of the way on your journey toward clearing CFA if you know this. So you're clearing CFA 1. Yeah, you are. So I'll tell you a little more questions also. 15 minutes we'll try to end the video. I'm coming back. Let me get some water. I got up very early in the morning today. Someone has posted something. So yes. So now let's apply it to some practical problems. So John plans to invest. Note this down. John plans to invest $2,500 in an account that will earn 8% with quarterly compounding. How much will be in the account at the end of 2 years? Right? Simple, right? 2005. Okay, maybe you may feel it is not so simple. I'll tell you how to solve it. $2,500. That is the amount. A is equal to $2,500. Always use symbols. Symbols are necessary to solve problems like this. A is equal to $2,500. Now you have to calculate EAR, 8% with annual compounding. So, what is EAR? It should come fast by this time. 1.02 to the power 4 minus 1. That's all, right? Divide the 8% by 4, 2%. So 1.02. 1.02 means the same. You're dividing by 4, so the same number will go on top. 1.02 squared, 8.24. Minus 1. Um, 0.0824. Yeah, and this, so plus 1, and this is squared, right? For 2 years. How much will be in the account at the end of two years? So into 2,500. Yeah, 2,929.1, which is the same as the result, right? So the first thing is you need to get the EAR. EAR is, I think we'll stop with this problem. Then we'll continue in further areas. I'll take further videos. I'll show you further tips and tricks. So EAR is so since 8% is the stated annual rate, another important thing, EAR will always be greater than SAR. Effective annual rate, because there are more compounding periods, will always be greater than SAR. So SAR is 8%, so you know EAR will be greater than 8%. 8% SAR in this EAR in this case is 8.24%. 8.2432% if you want to be very accurate. So you take this 1.08 value and you square it, and then you multiply by 2,500, and that gives you your answer. 2,500 into 1.0824, let's do like that. Means without the exact tutor, let's see how close it comes. 2,928, that is 2,929.15. So you have to always multiply by the effective annual rate plus 1, right? So you get the correct answer, 1.0824 into 2,500 into another 1.0824. That's your correct answer. That is about 2,530 roughly. So 2,530 is the right answer. And with that, we close the video. God bless you. God bless India. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. bless you. God bless you.